Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Washington County in north central Maryland, northwestern Frederick County in north central Maryland, north central Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, east central Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, until 3 p.m. At 2:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Williamsport, or near Shepherdstown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Boonesboro, Mount Etna, Mount Lena, St. March, Louisville, St. James, Myersville, Keedysville, Sharpsburg, Fairplay, Warrersville, Pleasant Walk, Bolivar, and Middletown in Frederick, Maryland. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Issued a flash flood warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, central York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, York, Ephrata, Michaelstown, Columbia, Millersville, Willow Street, Mount Joy, Red Lion, New Holland, Spry, East Petersburg, Dallastown, Akron, Shiloh, East York, Lella, Stony Brook, Wilshire, West York, and Salunga-Landisville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms moving into the warned area. With a heavy rainfall that fell earlier this week, soils are already very moist. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Willow Street, Paradise, Shrewsbury, Strasburg, Coyville, Stewartstown, Gap, Delta, Crossroads, Railroad, Brogue, Smithville, Holtzwood, Sunderburn, Shanks Ferry, Safe Harbor, Susquehanna Trail, Intercourse, and Conestoga. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northeastern New Castle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Arden, or near Wilmington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Chester, West Deptford, Carneys Point, Paulsboro, Penns Grove, Woodstown, National Park, Swedesboro, Arden, Beckett, Mullica Hill, Gibstone, Tinicum Township, Chester Township, Eddystone, Martha Hook, Trainer, Bellefonte, and Ardentown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 2. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 19 and 23. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 3 and 21. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Gloucester and Salem, and
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Harford County in northern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riverside or near Aberdeen, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Aberdeen, Haverton Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Bel Air South, Riverside, Perryman, Edgewood, Churchill, Harford Furnace, Abingdon, Carsons, and Belcap. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Central Harford County in northern Maryland, East Central Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 11:45 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flooding include Little River, Aberdeen, Bel Air South, Parkville, Bel Air North, Kearney, Perry Hall, Rosedale, Rossville, White Marsh, Fallston, Riverside, Hampton, Kingsville, Pleasant Hills,